Thank you. Hello, Madlang people.
Hello.
It's really good to be back after a long absence. Napakagaling ninyo. Ngayon pa lang, I'd like to congratulate the three of you. Pinahirapan nyo kaming tatlo dito, mga Rado. Grabe kayo. Esam, ang gustong-gusto ko sa yung tone quality mo, napakaganda, ang kapal, ano? At saka yung ginamit mong mga embellishments, yung mga pampaganda ng kanta. Gustong-gusto ko, tamang-tama yung riffs and rafts mo, taas, baba, mataas, mababa. Nasa tono ka, on point ka. Kung meron man akong may dadagdag pa, mas tumingin ka sa audience mo. Medyo nahihiya, medyo may konting hiya ka pa. Pero tuloy mo lang yan, mas gagaling ka pa. Wala ka ng problema sa techniques and voice. So congratulations. Tingnan natin mamaya, Esa.
Maraming salamat, Jurado Nonoy Zuniga. Ngayon, pakinggan naman natin ang kanyang komento. Jurado Eric Santos.
Hello, Madlang people. Masasabi ko lang, bilang isang jurado for 9 years dito sa TNT, isa ito sa pinakamahirap na desisyon na gagawin namin dito. Hirap na hirap talaga kami. Mentor Bituin, bakit mo naman sila pinagsabay-sabay?
Maski sinong isabay, Sir Eric, talagang
Grabe, ibang
they're
class.
bringing their best. This team, Luntian, walang tapon dito eh.
Grabe, congratulations.
Salamat.
Jude, grand finals na ba? Hindi pa naman grand finals. Alam mo, yung performance mo, everything was on point for me. Accuracy-wise, power, storytelling, conviction. Parang watching you perform today was a full experience. Congratulations. Very well done.
At ngayon naman pakinggan natin ang komento ng ating pinagpipitaganan at pinagmamalaking si Louie Ocampo.
Napakagwapo! Ako! Huwag nyo ilakasiyan. Baka machismis na gwapo ako? Okay. First and foremost, between ang galing mong mentor. So, bow ako. Bow. Okay, punta tayo kay Aaron. Aaron, I think you outdid yourself because you already performed that song before me, ba? Not yet? Ba, sino nga Aaron na panood ko? Hindi, okay, joke lang. Anyway, you were the bomb. Ibig sabihin, pasabog yung performance mo today. Yung rap mo, yung change of tone, yung angas, stage presence, lahat, you were very, very, very good. So, congratulations.
Maraming salamat, punong Jurado.